Welcome to CyberTheo. In today's video, we're diving into the world of hand drills. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, having a reliable hand drill can make all the difference. I'll be breaking down the pros and cons of the 3 best hand drills available in 2024 to help you choose the right one for your projects. Let's get started. DeWalt DCD791D 220V Max XR. Pros. Brushless motor. The DeWalt DCD791D2 features a brushless motor, which provides up to 57% more runtime than brushed models. This means you get more work done on a single charge. 2-speed transmission. It offers 2-speed settings, allowing you to switch between 0 to 550 RPM for precision work and 0 to 2000 RPM for faster drilling. Compact and lightweight. Weighing just 3.4 pounds, this drill is easy to handle and ideal for tight spaces. LED light. The built-in LED light with a 20-second trigger release delay helps you work in dark or poorly lit areas. Cons. Price. While it's powerful and versatile, the DeWalt DCD791D2 comes at a higher price point compared to other models. Battery life. Although the runtime is extended, heavy users might need to recharge more frequently during intense jobs. Makita XFD 13118V LXT. Pros. Compact design. The Makita XFD 131 is known for its ergonomic design, making it comfortable to use over extended periods. Efficient motor. This drill has a 440 Nm of max torque, which is powerful enough for most drilling and driving applications. Quick charge battery. The 3.0 Ah battery can be fully recharged in just 30 minutes, minimizing downtime. All-metal gear construction. Provides durability and longer tool life. Cons. Torque limitation. While it's powerful, it may not be sufficient for heavy-duty tasks that require higher torque. No hammer function. The absence of a hammer drill function might limit its use for certain masonry tasks. Bosch PS31-2A12V Max. Pros. Lightweight and compact. Weighing just 2 pounds, the Bosch PS31-2A is incredibly easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. Variable speed. The drill offers 2-speed settings, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1300 RPM, providing versatility for different applications. Built-in LED lights. 2 LED lights provide great illumination for working in dark areas. Affordability. It's an excellent option for those looking for a quality drill at a lower price. Cons. Limited power. The 12V power system is sufficient for light to medium tasks, but it might struggle with heavy-duty drilling. Battery life. The smaller battery means shorter runtime, which could require frequent recharging during extended use. And there you have it. Those are the pros and cons of the 3 best hand drills of 2024. Each of these drills has its strengths and is suited to different types of work, so choose the one that best fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo. Check my top links below for more content.